Hello, YouTube. It's a beautiful day here in Ghana, at least for now. I think it's supposed to rain, but today is Saturday. I don't have much going on, but this is the view, guys. Look at the mountains. I can see the mountains clearly today. So I just wanted to give you an update. I'm still doing my gardening, my farming, my urban farming outside in my smaller back patio. I have a bigger patio in the front. Tell me what you guys think if I should move my herb garden in the front. But if this is your first time here, I am Kenza Babe. I moved here from here to Ghana, Africa, from Florida. Yes, I am African, Caribbean, American. Yes, I was born in the US Virgin Islands, but I repatriated here from Florida. So I'm thinking, this is my beautiful compound, guys, and this is my front. So tell me what you guys think. I wanted to keep my garden out in the back, but I think I might move this is my front porch. I think I might move my herbs out there. So, but I'm going to be getting back to the land. We are in the process of letting the soil and the foundation settle, and then I want to go out there and do a little more farming, weeding, transplanting. So that's where we at with that. We're letting the soil settle, and then we're going to compact the soil to start casting my foundation, guys. If this is your first time, follow my journey here in Ghana. I am farming, I'm building, I'm just living my best life here on the continent. Don't get me wrong, there's ups and downs, so follow my journey, see how things go here with me here in Africa. I am Kenza Babe. Thank you guys for watching. Help me get to 5k guys. I am on the road to 5k. So if you haven't subscribed, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It will help me reach my goals and get building. Yes, it would support me with my building project and my farming projects here in Africa. So just by watching my videos to the end and subscribing is support. So thank you guys for subscribing. So I did not come back out here yesterday. My sinuses was bugging me again, so today I am going to complete my look, the seeds I was talking about. This got to be my papaya coming up. Finally, I have a papaya tree coming up. Hopefully, some of these seeds did not germinate, but I am seeing two. So guys, I am going to continue with my planting out here. I left it here yesterday because I had a migraine. So I am back out here, but I think my herbs I'm going to put in the front. Tell me what you guys think. So join me as I continue my planting in my egg cartons and some other containers here. I was lost for words. Super Shadi's in there fixing something and I didn't know. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Continue to watch till the end. See you in a little bit. So guys, I got my little table out here. I don't know if you guys can see well. Just this. And I'm just going to do some potting here.
Listen to this bell. Happy sisters, I'm gonna be like this. If you want my I will tell my hero. Happy sisters, I'm gonna be like this. If you want my I will tell my hero. Happy sisters, I'm gonna be like this. If you want my I'm gonna tell my hero. Happy sisters, I'm gonna be like this. If you want my I will tell my hero.
For my potting soil, I need nice, no lumpy, no bunch of twigs. So I'm taking the twigs out, guys. I'm taking the twigs, putting them in my compost. This is just a starter for seeds. I'm planting one of my yams, guys. It done already started getting a little roots. See, I'm planting it in this pot. And then I'm going to start my seeds, guys. So guys, now I am going to plant my seeds. I think I'm going to plant oregano first in my little egg crates that I made. So in each little crate, I'm gonna dig a little hole. Not deep, just enough to put, these seeds are very small. Just enough to put couple seeds in. You don't want to bury the seeds too deep. You want them to sprout, so you want to keep just a little indentation. I want to make sure I'm in the right spots. So guys, I'm going to plant oregano and thyme in the same crate, in the same carton, because they grow like the same height. And then I'm going to plant, I don't know yet, I'm going to plant parsley and basil together. Maybe, I have to see. So let me see how I'm going to put these seeds there. Guys, if you could see, these things are like so tiny. I don't want to lose any. So I'm going to just take the tip of this stick, and I'm going to just put couple, just drop a couple in each one. Each area gets a couple seeds. Gonna put some more in this one, making sure. So these 2 rows are thyme. I think I have more oregano. The seeds for thyme was less. Make sure I get all of them out. It's so tiny. Oregano is really small. Thyme is in these 2. Oregano is in the rest. See, I have some more oregano here. So those 2 rolls are thyme. Now these are just little shish kebab sticks that I picked up from China Mall, and then these 3 rolls are oregano. Basil seeds. See, I'm doing basil now, guys. They're tiny, but they're not as tiny as the other ones. So I'm going to probably do 1 carton of this basil. So just a few seeds. Peppers is next. Let me show you the size of the pepper seeds. These are a little bigger, so these are easier to plant. Pepper seeds. Sweet peppers this time. Last seed that I'm planting for the day, guys, is parsley, and then I'm done with my gardening for the day. Hopefully I'll be back on the property soon. These parsley seeds are not that small, so they're easy to plant. Big parsley, guys. Guys, I decided to move my herbs, my starter herbs, in the front. So this is what I came up with. I planted thyme, basil, sweet pepper, parsley, and what's this? No, sweet pepper, basil, and oregano. That's it. Thyme, oregano, sweet pepper, basil, and parsley. So I got it. So now I'm going to water them in. They haven't got any water yet. So, and then I'm done. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel and watch my building and my journey here in Ghana. I made a watering can because I don't have a watering can. So I created my own watering can. Subscribe to my channel, like, follow my journey. Thank you for watching. If you watch all the way through, more building content and farming content coming soon. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.